Alright, it's already the next day. Pulling on up to Gately Audio. And I see empty Gately boxes. Those look like amplifier boxes to me. And that looks like a lot of them. It'll all make sense here in a second. Kind of hard to see what's going on. But follow me here for a second. There it is. We got one side down, one side to go. I think so. You're gonna have to go from my way. Okay, those screws are fancy, but whatever happened to 4 sheetrock screws? And be done with it. You already showed it.
That's so?
Another one. One more to go? Is that it?
That's the last one. Pretty light. Not bad.
Bottom.
Go ahead and lift that. I got the amplifier. The block is right there. Farther one. Farther one.
The little one.
See, now hold on a second. That thing looks like it is just slapped on there, but you put it on there without showing any of the detail. Let me see the back. See, that's the extra mile. It's countersunk. So those little squares, those little rectangles. There's one here somewhere.
That's why we said it's right here. When you gave it.
I did that thing.
Ten amplifiers, 12 subs, a whole bunch of doors. Time to have fun. Time to get the wiring started.
All right. Yeah.
Have fun with that. All right, I'm rolling out of here once again. Just want to come check the progress. We'll come back in a few days, maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday, I'm not sure. Film some of the progress, all the wiring. Will probably be done real soon. They're on a tight time schedule, so ain't no playing around. No time for that. We're out of here for now. So as much as I would love to be there for the entire build, I have my own shop to run, so I got to be other places. But I do get to pop in from time to time and get a little bit of video of the progress. They're a lot further along right now than what you're seeing in this video. If you want to see just how far along they are right now, go to Gately Audio's Instagram right here. You can go to their webpage right here. Or, well, you could just wait for my next video and I'll show you then. But I'm missing out on a lot of details. If you want to see all the wiring get done and a couple of early demos while they were testing it, that's the place to be. I'm for sure going to get my demo real soon. But for right now, I'm out of here.